Hi, this is Aishwarya from SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Today I am here to present a business model canvas. Let's see what is BMC. It is a strategic template used for developing new business models and documenting existing ones. The company I have chosen is Johnson & Johnson Incorporated. Where did we choose? We chose Johnson & Johnson Incorporated from www.crunchbase.com. About Johnson & Johnson Incorporated. The company is located in New Brunswick, USA. The CEO of the company is Alex Korsky. Their employees include 10,001. For more information, we can browse through their websites. Why did we choose? Our college provides 7 industry verticals and 5 innovation technologies. Industry verticals includes agriculture, foods, healthcare, energy, aerospace, defense, automobile, and fintech smart city. Innovation technology includes augmented and virtual reality, Internet of Things, robotics, automation, additive manufacturing. Johnson & Johnson Incorporated company comes under healthcare vertical and artificial intelligence, machine and learning. BMC include 9 segments: key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer segments, key resources, channels, customer relationship, cost structure, and revenue stream. The first one is key partner. The fund agency and investors come under this segment. This include Clean and Clear, Exhibians, BBN Care. Key activities. Johnson & Johnson Company key activities are addressing women needs and ready-made bandages. Value proposition. For Johnson & Johnson Company, the value propositions are highest quality product service at a fair cost. Customer segment. This is about for whom we are creating all the value propositions: baby care, skin care, oral care, and nutritionals. Key resources. Key resources of Johnson & Johnson income includes healthcare and professionals. Channels. This indicates how do they reach the customers. They use online platform to reach their customers: website, media, blogs. Customer relationship. This is relationship between the customer and the company, that is improve personal safety of children. Cost structure. This is for knowing the importance of cost, marketing share, developing saver and website. Revenue streams. Under this, Johnson & Johnson Incorporated includes healthcare and medical devices. Value proposition. The main source of value proposition is World for Well. This includes growth and stock chart for the company. Key partners. I had enclosed the logo of their content support companies. These are the 9 segments of BMC. Dream big, set goals, take action. Thank you for watching.